Alright, I am back, and what you see here is my setup for the awesome bird here, the Free Wing Super Hornet. Now, I'm going to be using this remote here to remote control it, and it comes with its own little setup you see over here. Now let's go through some of the things that you want to know. I gave myself a little extension because sometimes these cables can be too short and it causes issues for me, but your setup will be slightly different. Then I was able to connect all these up. This one right here is for the landing gear, and you saw that earlier. It was really hard for me to get all the way back inside just to get it out, but now you can see it. In the next video I will go through these a little bit better, but this is where we are right now. So thanks for watching.